going to now.
Because they just want to get this done.
That one came like close. It was like, whoa.
It's like I'm clapping.
Hey, Jacob. Jacob, is White Snowman Jim shooting a lot of cookie bombs?
Yeah, I'd say.
He's talking about Fortnite. He's talking about Fortnite.
I know I have Fortnite. What is he, Fortnite kid? Does he play Fortnite all the time?
I don't know.
You don't even know how to play Fortnite.
Dude, I am better at Fortnite than you.
Whoa!
I love Minecraft.
That's cool. That's cool. That was a cool one.
I love the crackers. Oh.
That was like satisfying.
Wait. Oh no, crackles. Disappointing. Ooh.
That one looks crazy.
Yeah,
It looks like you just opened the multiverse.
It's the end of the world. Everyone run.
Hey, Jacob, it looks like you're against shooting a
No
lot of
crackles.
cookie bombs in Fortnite.
Are you a Fortnite kid? Just asking.
I'm not a Fortnite kid.
Oh,
really
he probably
seems like
watches Fortnite.
I just watch my brother Jakey play Fortnite. And
Do you play
I watch
Fortnite?
it a lot of times.
I play VR.
VR. That's not a good game. It just makes
Oh.
Like in a different multiverse. It's like in a different. Whoa. This is gonna go on for like an hour.
It's like going for 20 million minutes.
It's gonna go on for 20.
That's like 2 days. That's more than 2 days.
Definitely more than 1 second. Or 1 millisecond. It better
This might be 1 hour.
This is gonna be 20 minutes.
Whoa!
It looks like you just opened a portal.
It was like they just
That is
opened a
so bad.
portal and
Imagine
like
being
Minecraft
under the
started coming
firework and
out.
you
Wait,
get
no.
burnt because of the
Oh. Okay, that's.
Hey, Jacob. It was like they just opened a portal and then all the Minecrafts come out in real life.
Crackle, crackle.
Yeah, stop. Ooh, crackle. Yeah.
It honestly looks like it's just coming for us. Ooh, whoa, that one was cool.
Oh!
Ooh.
That was like they're getting closer there.
That echo.
Hunter,
That
Jacob.
echo was.
Jacob, it was like they're trying to hit
Ooh.
us.
No, the more bigger. It sounds like
Why are
gunshots.
fireworks so loud?
Because light is faster than sound.
Whoa, I can break the speed of sound. Oh, yeah.
No, if it gets really high, it looks like it's getting closer. One's coming. Whoa. Okay.
Ah!
That one's
That
like
wasn't that loud. That was
mid.
mid.
Um,
Oh, that was
ooh, mid.
not mid.
It sounds good.
Oh,
This is awesome,
that's
right, Daddy?
That's
Ooh, mid.
That's not mid.
Whoa!
Neither is
Hunter, was that insane?
Wow.
Wait.
That was
Camera, yeah.
Hey, Jacob.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
yes.
Jacob.
It's just like oh.
Take off
Whoa.
my shoes, why not?
Jacob.
No
Jacob.
way.
Hey, Jacob.
What?
It was like you're just opening portals and all Fortnite and Minecraft and all the other games come out.
It looks like little people are just flying up with lights. Imagine if they're just on one big rocket. If they're on one big rocket and then do they just like start just jumping off of one big light? And then they just start
What if
turning it
it's
off.
like one big rock
They get
and then
exploded
it
off
just
and then they
comes
catch on
off
fire
and
and then they're
Whoa.
they hit the ground.
That one's like crazy. That was crazy.
That was crazy. You sound like one of those earrings.
Whoa, this one's going crazy.
Whoa. That was also a mid sound.
Excuse me.
Crackle, crackle,
This
crackle.
isn't
Please,
crazy.
no, there's no
No
crackle.
crackle that time, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah,
Nope,
looks like
no
not
crackle.
But it did.
Hey, Jacob.
We know when
There should be
crackle.
more.
Hey, Jacob.
We know when crackle, no crackle is gonna
Hey,
happen.
Jacob.
Oh! Whoa,
Crackle,
whoa,
crackle,
whoa.
no.
No
Hey,
crackle.
Jacob.
It's still good though.
Yeah, still.
No.
It looks like you just wait. I just closed my eyes and it looked crazy. Oh!
Crackle? No.
No crackle. Like, why is there every like minute it crackle? Wait, that might be a crackle. Please.
Oh, that was big.
That was definitely not mid. That was like.
Wow.
Whoa, that was. Wait, they haven't got closer. It doesn't look like they get closer anymore.
Because they're not getting closer.
But like,
Okay,
oh.
That one was so big and it was getting closer every single
That's
time.
okay.
Yeah, it's how big it gets. It matters how big it gets. No crackle. No, please, crackle.
It's a big one.
I
No,
hope this next one
What
crackles.
What do you think, little buddy? Is that cool?
crazy.
Awesome, right? Awesome.
Imagine all
Awesome.
the wild animals.
Oh. Whoa, another one. They keep setting more after more. Send one up. Send one up. Send one up.
They listen.
Oh, here. Oh,
That's a heart.
that's a heart. It was like so nice. They don't even know what they look like. They're just like, sending them. Oh no!
That was like hair
Wait,
coming
wait,
out
wait,
of the
wait.
sky. Hey, Jacob.
There's hair
Hey,
coming.
Jacob.
Hair coming.
Hey, Jacob.
What?
Jacob. It looks like Snow and Jen having their hair come out and their hair comes out of the dark.
Oh.
That looks like it. That looks.
Whoa.
Wait. Whoa. Pink.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
Crackle. What?
What? Come on, man.
It didn't do a crackle.
Come on, man.
What the heck? There's no crackle.
Oh.
That sounds like a big. That sounds like a shotgun
Crackle.
shot.
Ooh.
There's no crackle. It's only when it has like those little powder. Like this one's big. Whoa.
It has a powder trail, but it's not.
Wait, the farther it goes up, the more bigger it is. Whoa, it just turned green to
Oh,
blue.
it depends on the firework.
It just turned orange to green.
Or more.
Orange to green.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Crackle.
Crackle?
Crackle.
What?
The truck, you know.
Come on, man.
I think they just shut down the
Next one.
crackle.
Please crackle you.
Nope.
Please
Oh,
crackle.
pink.
Please
That one.
crackle.
That looked like a smiley face. Not gonna- That last one looked like a.
They get bigger and bigger and longer every time. But if they like keep going in and less more.
It sounds
then
like they're.
doesn't go that
It looks
big
like it's,
anymore.
they're gonna do a crackle, but they don't do a crack. I didn't even see that one coming.
Me neither, but this one's coming.
Ooh, that one was not a
You
crackle.
hear it after it explodes. You just hear it.
Yeah, because
Sound wave.
light is faster than
Hunter,
sound.
it's like
Whoa.
Crackle.
Crackle, no. Oh, no. That one was low.
Crackle. This
Whoa.
one, that one
They're
crackles,
just-
so does that one.
Nope, they're not
Come
crackle.
on, crack.
Whoa,
Crackle.
whoa,
Crackle.
whoa, that's cool.
crackle, crackle.
Whoa,
Crackle,
it just looks like it just got
crackle,
crazy.
crackle,
It's the end of the world.
Crackle, crackle.
Okay, that's getting annoying. I heard it.
Crackle!
Whoa,
I heard
It's
it.
crackled. Crackled, I heard it.
why did it go two at a time? Imagine if there's like 1,000 fireworks.
That's at the end. Don't worry.
Don't worry, there's 1,000 fireworks coming up. Imagine if they lay that and then the whole town gets on fire.
Boom.
That's actually, oh,
Hey,
that
Jacob.
sounds
At
like
the
a,
end, they
Jacob.
shoot like more than 5 at once.
Hey, Jacob.
what if they shoot like 10? Like, imagine of them, oh, yes, in such a while.
Hey, Jacob.
It's getting,
Crackle, crackle.
no, wait, listen for the crackle. That one's coming. Two.
Two chances.
Two chances.
Two chances that I'm gonna
One,
take.
1, 2. 1. Wait. 1, 2.
Come on.
They should set like 5 at once.
Hey, Jacob.
What?
It looks like when people are like pulling their hair out, it looks like the aliens are coming back and exploding it up.
It looks like aliens are. Doesn't it look like a flare?
Yeah, I was saying this.
Cause you hear the gun sound. So it's like a flare. Whoa. That one just looked like
Some of
it
these
was.
probably are flares.
Hey, Jacob.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Jacob, imagine.
The crackle. Yes,
Yes.
that's what we want.
Oh no, it's getting so close.
Crackle.
Oh my god. That one sounded like there was like a big fat
Hey,
windstorm.
Jacob.
Ooh.
Jacob. Hey, Hunter.
What?
Imagine that when people were doing gunshots, it turned into fireworks.
Crackle, little crackle. Whoa. Whoa, like 5 at once.
I told you.
This is the end. Or it's just one firework just getting launched. Imagine if it's just one firework. Imagine if that's one firework.
No, that's the second best, buddy.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, crackle. You hear that? That was a crackle.
I told you. But wait, there's probably more. Yep.
Yep. Oh. That one's more satisfying.
That's like so satisfying.
Literal.
Crackles.
Yeah, I heard a crackle during like.
Crackle.
No, boom! Boom! No, watch this. Watch my hand.
No, watch this. I'm gonna.
Three.
As soon as it explodes.
What? Aw. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Sounds like you just like you're.
Absolutely, buddy. Happy Independence Day.
Somebody just said happy. Maverick's so nice.
Oh, that one was
Oh.
close to building.
Oh. Big crackle. Big crackle. Big crackle. That was like a big crackle.
That's just one firework.
Yeah, that's just one fire. Oh.
Crackle.
Yeah.
That's what we want, right?
Oh.
Closer.
The more, if it gets bigger, it looks closer. Oh, doesn't it look like little planes flying up and then they just start getting struck by lightning?
It does. It looks like planes are flying up and being struck by lightning so hard that they explode. And all the little flares are people.
Hey, Jacob.
Whoa.
Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob.
What?
Did you? Hey, Hunter. Did you know the bigger the longer that then gets the louder and louder and the longer
Yeah.
and the bigger it
Yeah.
and the longer.
Oh.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I don't think it's never gonna end.
Ah, trust me, it will soon. But we'll get a crazy ending.
Wait, what? Wait. Boom. Come on. Whoa. No. Oh, that one might have a crackle.
Bam!
We want him to crack a
Whoa.
bite.
Whoa.
Hey, Jacob.
That looks like you.
Oh, crackle.
No. We just need the crackle.
That's all we want.
Wait, that's a high. Oh! No, doesn't it look like an Earth just forming? A new planet. A new.
Look like a new planet.
Wait, no, new planet coming up. Whoa. Oh.
That's awesome, Hunter.
Wait. Whoa. It's just so cool. Fireworks are better.